So I'm gonna cut into this now. Hi, how are you? In this video, I'm going to review the Sakuraco Japanese snack box for the month of December. Here it is. Ta-da! So here it is. So the box is still the same like the previous months. Okay, let's unbox this. You get the postcard. As usual, there is a personal message. Because this month the theme is the winter flavors of Hokkaido. That's why the picture is Hokkaido and it's the winter scene. Okay, let's check out what they have. Hokkaido milk karinto is like chips, but it's made from milk and it has the word Hokkaido, limited edition to Hokkaido. This one is Sinbei, but it's made from scallop, because Hokkaido is famous for some of the seafood. This is called the Yamaoyaji Sinbei. It's actually made from Hokkaido milk. This one is another crackers, but this one is slightly different. This one is shrimp curry rice snack. The other one is called the kombu koro mochi. It's actually a dry rice snack flavored with the Japanese seaweed called kombu. Again, is from Hokkaido. Hokkaido milk cookies. Yes, the white chocolate cookies. Hokkaido is also famous for melons, so they have the melon chocolate cookies. This one, good too. This one, this is Hokkaido cream bread. So it's some sort like a bun, a bread, but it's made from Hokkaido cream. Hokkaido is famous for its dairy products. That's why a lot of things are made from Hokkaido cream, milk, etc. The red bean pudding. So this one is a pudding. Another one is the castella cake. This time the castella cake is slightly different. This one is a bit long. The last two boxes was like a slice cake. So this is called the vitamin castella cake. Remember the Baumkuchen last time? It's more like a round one, but this time is a long one. Baumkuchen, but this one is banana flavor. In this one they give a sake cup, a ceramic sake cup. Let's open this. Here is a small sake cup, ceramic, and the design is like the Tokyo Olympic design. Yuzu mochi. It's like a jelly thing. Okay. Hokkaido is also very famous for their sweet corn. The simbei is actually made from corn potage. They gave 2 of this. I thought at first it was like a rice cracker or something, but actually it's a walnut mochi. So mochi is kind of soft. Last but not least, they also give 2 packets of green tea. That's all for me unboxing the Sakuraco box for December. I'm gonna try some of the snacks. Let's check this out. I'm now in the Japanese outfit, so I'm going to try one of the Japanese snack. So this is the walnut mochi. Quite strange, isn't it? The mochi is like this shape. And what is interesting is it's also from Hokkaido. I could have just easily opened this wrapper and just eat it from here. But as in Japanese culture, things have to be served on a nice plate, which I'm gonna do it. So this is the walnut mochi wrapped in rice paper. So I'm gonna have this now. It's not very sweet and it's walnut flavor. It's delicious. I'm gonna continue eating this and I'm gonna try the next snack later. This is the banana Baumkuchen. It's different from the one that I tried last time, which was in a round shape, but this one is like an elongated shape. And what is so special about it is that of course banana is not produced at Hokkaido, but the milk that used to produce this is from Hokkaido, as stated here. Gonna try this. It smells really good with the banana fragrance. Okay, so I'm gonna try this now. It's not too sweet. It tastes very good. I'm gonna continue to enjoy my snack now. And thank you for watching this video on the winter flavors of Hokkaido. See you again. Bye bye.